Which of the following is not a microorganism? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Fungi. D. Amoeba. Answer. D. Amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled protozoan but not considered a microorganism in the strictest sense as it can be visible under a light microscope. Which microorganism is responsible for tuberculosis? A. Staphylococcus aureus. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. C. Escherichia coli. D. Salmonella typhi. Answer. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, TB, is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which mainly affects the lungs. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? A. Typhoid. B. Malaria. C. AIDS. D. Tuberculosis. Answer. C. AIDS. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. Which disease is spread by female Anopheles mosquito? A. Dengue. B. Malaria. C. Cholera. D. Typhoid. Answer. B. Malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium and transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Which microorganism is used in the production of antibiotics? A. Fungi. B. Bacteria. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Both A and B. Antibiotics like penicillin are derived from fungi, Penicillium notatum, and bacteria like Streptomyces. Which disease is caused by Salmonella bacteria? A. Typhoid. B. Tuberculosis. C. Influenza. D. Polio. Answer. A. Typhoid. Salmonella typhi causes typhoid fever, a bacterial infection affecting the intestines. What is the causative agent of COVID-19? A. SARS-CoV-1. B. MERS-CoV. C. SARS-CoV-2. D. Influenza virus. Answer. C. SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 is caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, first identified in 2019. Which microorganism is used in making curd? A. Lactobacillus. B. Rhizobium. C. Streptococcus. D. Clostridium. Answer. A. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria help ferment lactose into lactic acid, making curd. Polio is caused by which type of microorganism? A. Bacteria. B. Protozoa. C. Virus. D. Fungus. Answer. C. Virus. Polio is caused by the poliovirus, which affects the nervous system. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? A. Dengue. B. Malaria. C. Typhoid. D. Influenza. Answer. B. Malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium species and spread through mosquito bites. Which disease is caused by fungi? A. Athlete's foot. B. Typhoid. C. Malaria. D. Tuberculosis. Answer. A. Athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection caused by Trichophyton species. Which microorganism helps in nitrogen fixation in soil? A. E. coli. B. Rhizobium. C. Lactobacillus. D. Plasmodium. Answer. B. Rhizobium. Rhizobium bacteria help convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms for plants. Rabies is caused by which virus? A. HIV. B. Rabies virus. C. Influenza virus. D. Ebola virus. Answer. B. Rabies virus. The rabies virus is transmitted through the bite of infected animals. Which disease is caused by contaminated water? A. Influenza. B. Cholera. C. Tuberculosis. D. HIV. Answer. B. Cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae, found in contaminated water. What is the shape of the bacillus bacteria? A. Spherical. B. Rod-shaped. C. Spiral. D. Comma-shaped. Answer. B. Rod-shaped. Bacillus bacteria are rod-shaped microorganisms. Which virus causes chickenpox? A. Influenza virus. B. Varicella zoster virus. C. HIV. D. Rhinovirus. Answer. B. Varicella zoster virus. Chickenpox is caused by the Varicella zoster virus. Which microorganism is used in the fermentation of alcohol? A. Lactobacillus. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. C. Rhizobium. D. Streptococcus. Answer. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly known as yeast, is used in alcohol fermentation. Leprosy is caused by which bacteria? A. Salmonella typhi. B. Mycobacterium leprae. C. Vibrio cholerae. D. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Answer. B. Mycobacterium leprae. Leprosy, Hansen's disease, is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Tetanus is caused by A. Clostridium tetani. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. C. Salmonella typhi. D. Vibrio cholerae. Answer. A. Clostridium tetani. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani, which produces toxins affecting the nervous system. Dengue is caused by which virus? A. Influenza virus. B. HIV. C. Dengue virus. D. Rabies virus. Answer. C. Dengue virus. The dengue virus is transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? A. Smallpox. B. Anthrax. C. Measles. D. Rabies. Answer. B. Anthrax. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis, a bacterium that affects both humans and animals. Which part of the human body does the HIV virus primarily attack? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Immune system, T cells. D. Brain. Answer. C. Immune system, T cells. HIV primarily attacks CD4 T cells, weakening the immune system. Which microorganism is used in antibiotic production? A. Rhizopus. B. Penicillium. C. Vibrio. D. Plasmodium. Answer. B. Penicillium. Penicillium fungi produce penicillin, the first antibiotic discovered. Which bacteria cause pneumonia? A. Streptococcus pneumoniae. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. C. Vibrio cholerae. D. Plasmodium vivax. Answer. A. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Pneumonia is mainly caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, leading to lung infections. What is the main transmission method for hepatitis B? A. Contaminated food. B. Airborne droplets. C. Blood and body fluids. D. Mosquito bite. Answer. C. Blood and body fluids. Hepatitis B spreads through infected blood, sexual contact, and contaminated needles. Which disease is caused by trypanosoma? A. Sleeping sickness. B. Yellow fever. C. Influenza. D. Cholera. Answer. A. Sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma and transmitted by Tsetse flies. The bacteria Helicobacter pylori cause which disease? A. Tuberculosis. B. Stomach ulcers. C. Malaria. D. Typhoid. Answer. B. Stomach ulcers. Helicobacter pylori bacteria infect the stomach lining, causing ulcers. What is the main method of transmission for leprosy? A. Contaminated food. B. Airborne droplets. C. Mosquito bites. D. Sexual contact. Answer. B. Airborne droplets. Leprosy spreads through prolonged exposure to droplets from an infected person's nose and mouth. What type of microorganism is responsible for ringworm? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Fungus. Answer. D. Fungus. Ringworm is a fungal infection caused by Trichophyton and Microsporum species. Which bacteria help in sewage treatment? A. Rhizobium. B. E. coli. C. Methanogens. D. Salmonella. Answer. C. Methanogens. Methanogens help in the decomposition of organic matter in sewage treatment plants.